message, no? What's your best advice? What's your best advice to our leaders in Malacanang? What's their best move right now to address this situation?
The best move that they can do right now, our administration, with all due respect to all the brilliant minds in working in the office of the president, is really to show to our OFWs, to our kababayans abroad, that number one, that they listen.
Yes.
Our administration listens to their grievance, to their sentiments, to their emotions. Number two, that to engage with them, to engage with our kababayans. Iparating natin sa kanila na ang gobyerno, na administrasyong Marcos ay handang pakinggan sila at handang i-address kung ano man yung mga hinanaing nila. Kasi ang looking at from a international perspective, kapag hindi ito na-address, it could affect confidence to our administration and our institutions. And apart from losing confidence is yung tinatawag na credibility, our credibility in conducting foreign relations, because laging sinasabi ng ating foreign affairs na we, the Philippines, we adhere to the rule of law.
Yes.
Pero if we don't address these issues abroad, with our OFWs, then that would run counter to our own pronouncement na ang Pilipinas ay nag-adhere sa rule of law.
Yeah.
Mine-maintain natin yun. Kasi dapat consistent tayo.
Yes.
So dapat i-address natin ng mga problema at hinanain ng ating OFWs. Yun lang ata talaga na we should be able to, the administration is willing
basic,
to listen.
no? Listen lang talaga,
listen at saka engage and address.
Yeah.
Address the problems that they are voicing out.
Siguro, amigo, sometimes, siguro inuunawa din natin yung mga leaders natin sa sobra siguro sila, amigo, bombarded with their big responsibilities. Sometimes, we forget, the basic things that is expected from us as public servant. Pero, hindi dapat din po maging complacent because hindi naman tayo laging nakaposisyon. So, parang, as long as we have time here, let's give our best to assure the Filipino people and let's do our duty. Napakasimple lang po, sabi nga ng ating amigo, listen and engage. Hindi na natin kailangan magpakomplika pa at magdulot pa ng takot dahil hirap na rin naman po ang mga kababayan natin abroad. So, need lang po nila ng assurance sa administrasyon. So, amigo, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din for having me for today's show.
Salamat po. At muli po dito sa One Politico, lagi po natin pinag-uusapan ang mga napapanahong issues po at makatulong po sa inyo po maintindihan at kumalma po sa mga nagbabangga ang problema po sa ating bansa. Nawa po sa mga narinig po natin kay amigo Sean ay nagdulot po ng kagaanan at linaw po sa mga issues po ngayon sa ating bansa. Magandang araw po.